Tell me, my friend, if I gave you a bag of gold coins every morning, but told you that at sunset, whatever you didn't use would disappear forever, how would you spend those coins? Would you let them slip through your fingers, or would you use them wisely? Now imagine that the gold coins are your moments, your hours, your days. Every sunrise brings you a gift more valuable than gold, time. Yet, how often do we squander it, believing tomorrow will bring us more? Today, I'll share with you the most important lesson I've learned: how to stop wasting life and start living it with purpose. I once heard a story that changed my life. A man on his deathbed wept bitterly. When asked why, he said, "I'm not afraid of dying. I'm afraid of never having lived." Those words stayed with me. Most of us live as though we have endless time. We keep saying, "Someday I'll be happy. Someday I'll follow my dreams." But someday is not a day on the calendar. Life doesn't wait. So let me tell you a story that might just change the way you look at your own time. There was once a traveler who came across 3 laborers working under the scorching sun. He asked the first, "What are you doing?" The man replied, "I'm laying bricks." The traveler asked the second, who said, "I'm building a wall." Finally, he asked the third, who smiled and said, "I'm building a temple." 3 men, doing the same task, but only one understood the greater purpose of his work. Life is no different. Are you laying bricks, or are you building a temple? Are you merely existing, or are you creating a life that matters? Lesson 1. Time is non-renewable. Let me remind you of a truth we often ignore. Everything you own can be replaced. Your job, your possessions, even your mistakes. But the one thing that will never come back is this moment. Every breath you take is a coin spent. Ask yourself, are you investing in what truly matters, or are you letting it slip away? Lesson 2. Find stillness in the chaos. In my early days as a monk, I struggled with this. I thought I had to do more, achieve more, to feel fulfilled. But my master told me, look at the ocean. Its surface is often restless, but its depths remain calm. Be like the ocean. Find your calm within, no matter how the world outside moves. Take a moment right now. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel the air as it fills your lungs. In that breath, you hold the miracle of life. This is where peace begins. Not in the future, not in the past, but in the stillness of now. Lesson 3. Live with intention. The jar of life is yours to fill, but if you don't choose your priorities, someone else will choose for you. Remember, your big stones, your health, your relationships, your purpose must go in first. Let the sand and pebbles, the small distractions, find their place later. Ask yourself, if today were your last, what would you regret not doing? What words would you wish you had said? What dreams would you wish you had chased? Don't wait. Live now. Time is not the enemy. It is the most precious gift you have. Treat it as such. Start each day by asking yourself, what temple am I building today? And as you walk through life, remember, it's not about the years in your life, but the life in your years. Take this lesson with you, my friend. Pause, reflect, and above all, live fully. The clock is ticking, but the choice is always yours. Your time is your life. Make it count.